Hi, Mark T the Handyman here. Today we're going to change our water filter on our LG refrigerator. About every 6 months this light will flash and it's telling you it's time to change your water filter. The first thing we need to do is we need to get the model number and serial number off the refrigerator, and that's located right here. Based on the model number of our LG refrigerator, this is the filter that we need to replace our old filter. The filters are available at any store that sells appliances like refrigerators and washers and dryers. You can also order these online, but you will need a model or serial number. Based on the model number that we have, this filter right here, an LT100P, is the filter we need. In this particular refrigerator, the filter is located on the left side, up near the top of the refrigerator. To get the filter out, we need to remove this shelf right here, the top shelf. You need to get the filter completely down, and then you turn it to the left and it comes right out. Very little water, a couple of drips came out. Next, we take our new filter and we unpack it. It has a cap on it, so we'll remove that cap and we put it back the same way that we took it out. There's a couple of slots right there. You put the slots in, you turn it, it's locked in. Now we push the cover back on. Put our shelf back in place. And we're back in business. It's that simple. Okay, we've got our filter replaced. Now all we have to do is reset the alarm. Hold it for 3 seconds and you're done. All right, so we got the new water filter for our refrigerator in. We've got the alarm reset. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up or a like. If you want to see more of my videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.